Welcome to this overview of PROEX vacuum-packed sweet corn processing machinery and complete lines. We specialize in delivering turnkey, fully integrated lines that help sweet corn processors maximize your recovery and optimize your capacity while reducing your labor requirements and mitigating damage. Let's take a quick look at standard process flows, the numerous PROEX automation levels and options, and how we support your operations from start to finish. At PROEX, we deliver quality sweet corn processing equipment and lines. We are the company investing in modernization of the equipment and technology. Our one-stop shop approach ensures you have everything you need to create efficient, hygienic, and productive lines. From our best-in-class PROEX saw and PROEX husker to our global technology portfolio, our engineering team is ready to customize your line. They are also ready to properly integrate your equipment with modern, central controls and properly commission your line. We have many design, mechanical, and additional technology options. And when you need spare parts, we are ready for that. The team at PROEX works with you to determine your specific needs. Your in-feed product quality, final product requirements, space, budget considerations, and more allow our design engineers to customize your line. A common process flow includes in-feed, metering, top and tail cutting on the saw, mechanical husking, green ear and defect inspection, distribution to packaging, thermoforming, packing, sealing, labeling, metal detection, and loading. Sometimes, a multi-head weigher is also integrated. Some lines also have a secondary process for cut corn. The layout, machine models, and technology integrations are customized for you, as your needs are absolutely unique. The goal is to grow and scale with you, with the right mechanical, digital, and perhaps even robotic technology that makes sense for your specific growth plan. We are very proud of our PROEX cob saw. This unit is made to perform at the highest level. Our saw has the highest in-feed capacity in the market in 2 capacity configurations. It has a robust, refined design with stainless steel, even for the in-feed chain. High-visibility alignment lasers make the job easier for manual load configurations. The count sensor helps you track and apply OEE metrics when enabled in a digitally enhanced line. The cutter head is more efficient than ever before and is optimized for both fast maintenance and excellent waste transfer. This is the best saw you can get. Much like our saw, the PROEX husker is the highest performing mechanical husker in the market. This is the only husker from a U.S. company that has a hygienic, fully stainless, fresh configuration, which is needed for a vacuum-packed line. We also have models and features for processed sweet corn and seed corn operations. This unit comes in 4, 8, 12, and 16 lane configurations. Our husker and in-feed shaker are made to fit the same footprint of A and K and Hughes huskers. We have many features that set us apart, including options for no-lift clamshell opening, HMI controls, air and water options for lines where that is applicable, nubbin eliminators, and more. When you want an efficient, made-to-last husker, there is none better. Now let's take a quick look at a line in operation. Here is the PROEX saw. You may notice this customer had unique space challenges our engineers were able to solve for. From there, this line goes to the husker. The line was built completely on a platform for maintenance and sanitation access. After husking, it goes up to a multi-head weigher integration. This ensures precision, especially for cobbette packs. All packaging processes are also fully integrated. Let's watch it in action. Operators are hand-loading the saw, and we do have options to further automate that. This system has a cob counter on the saw. The cuts are precise. Also, due to the saw design, waste is removed efficiently. All waste on this line feeds to a central conveyor and then is taken out of the building. Here is a great view of our husker shaker, which spreads out the load evenly. This line has a unique dual lane in feed and output depending on the current final product recipe. You can see how well husked these cobs are, while maintaining kernel integrity. This line has our electromagnetic distribution shaker conveyor system. From there, our crosshead feeder optimizes multi-head load. We also designed and built a custom automatic laning system for this line. This enables automated thermoformer loading. What a beautiful final product! Let's keep going. Our IntelliPro Connect platform enhances collaboration and data-driven decision-making. All PROEX Turnkey lines currently come with the Essentials plan, giving you digital access to your manuals and parts lists, plus support ticketing. Connect Plus opens you up to the world of industrial IoT, including data aggregation and dashboard reporting. Connect Plus also has options for preventative maintenance checklists, step-by-step instruction, and more. When you are ready for digital, we are ready to provide. If you are ready for robotic integration, PROEX is the only corn processing machinery OEM offering to do this advanced work for you. We know how this can transform your business and know how to do it at a reasonable cost. From robotic saw loading all the way through palletizing, we have several options to integrate this transformative technology in your operation. Don't forget, a robot is consistent all day long and never calls in sick. By implementing PROEX machinery and fully integrated lines, you'll experience measurable improvements in throughput, quality, and labor reduction. As automation increases, headcount needs decrease, allowing you to allocate resources strategically. We truly are your one-stop shop for transforming your business. PROEX provides extensive after-sales support to keep your equipment running smoothly. We stock many parts in multiple warehouses and are ready to help you minimize downtime. We also offer several annual spare parts kits. Thank you for exploring our vacuum-packed corn machinery and options. The team here at PROEX is here to help you achieve your processing goals with customized, innovative systems designed for long-term success. Visit our website at proexfood.com, call us at the numbers there, or email us at sales@proexfood.com for more information or to discuss your project. We look forward to working with you.